Hello, welcome once again. In today's video, I will show you how to make bleach for washing clothes. Bleach is widely used for disinfection, cleaning, whitening, and stain removal in household cleaning. It kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi on surfaces. It is also used in laundry to whiten and brighten clothes and remove stains. To get started, we only need a combination of soda ash, which is also known as sodium carbonate, chlorine, which is also known as hypochlorite, and caustic soda, which is known as sodium hydroxide. Each play a crucial role in the formulation of an effective bleach. And water to dissolve all our ingredients. And I will be using a total of 4 liters of water for this production. So let's start by measuring out our ingredients. We start by measuring out 100 grams of caustic soda. Caustic soda is used to adjust and maintain an alkaline pH level, which is essential for the stability and effectiveness of bleach. An alkaline environment helps chlorine stay active as hypochlorite ion, which are strong oxidizer, and set aside. And next we measure out 200 grams of chlorine. Chlorine is the primary bleaching and disinfectant agent. In water, it forms hypochlorous acid, which has strong oxidizing properties, and it is effective in killing bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. And set aside. And lastly, I'll be measuring out 200 grams of soda ash. Soda ash is also known as sodium carbonate. Serves to raise the pH of the solution, enhancing the bleaching effect of chlorine. It also helps neutralize any acidic byproduct formed during the process. And now we start by dissolving our caustic soda in 1.5 liters of water. Stir until it dissolves completely before adding the next ingredients. When completely dissolved, add in your soda ash. Stir until properly dissolved. And when completely dissolved, set it aside. In another bowl, dissolve your chlorine in 0.5 liters of water. In water treatment, bleach disinfects and purifies drinking water and swimming pool by neutralizing harmful pathogens. And here we have our coconut milk for coconut rice. I'll be using this for coconut rice in my upcoming video. When properly dissolved, add it to caustic soda and soda ash mixture and stir to combine. When properly combined, add in the remaining water to fill it. Cover and set aside till the following day. And this is the following day. Open and stir it properly. Cover and allow to settle for 3 more days. For safe handling, when making bleach with chlorine, soda ash and caustic soda, use a well-ventilated area or fume hood. Wear gloves, goggle, and a respirator. Always ensure children are not around you when working with chemical. Always keep your final product away from children. Store the bleach in a cool, dark place in a clear labeled plastic container. This is the fourth day. As you can see, our bleach is settled and becomes very clear. We are going to get rid of the particles floating on top with the help of a chiffon cloth. And after filtering it with a chiffon cloth, set aside for 1 hour, then filter again one more time to get a very clear bleach. So I'll go ahead, place a funnel on my collecting container, then filter the bleach one more time with a chiffon cloth. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And to my wonderful family out there, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you. God bless you. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. And after filtering the bleach for the last time, here we have our bleach which came out very clear and used for all your household disinfectants. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.